So what they did is right up here, they welded that to the frame, the front part to the frame. That's the part that broke right here. So they welded that. Did the same thing on the other side. And then they added this right here. This is the major add. Welded that all the way around and then up onto the bumper. Bumper is a 1/4 inch thick steel. So it should hold it. This is going to take the brunt of bumps right here. So, and this is 1/4 inch thick steel. This is 1/4 inch thick steel or thicker. But anyhow, this should hold, I hope. Anyhow, just want to let you see the finished product. There you go.